Friends, today will be discuss about red blood cells, red blood cell count, determination of red blood cells (RBC) count by Newart's chamber and also called hemocytometer. RBC count defined. This is defined as determination of the number of RBCs per microliter of blood. Method for RBC count. First, visual hemocytometer method. Second, electronic method. Visual hemocytometer method, also called manual method. Principle. This is counting of RBCs in a calibrated chamber by dilution of blood to 1:200 dilution with a diluent which is isotonic to blood. The diluent used prevent clotting, clumping, and Rolex formation and does not destroy RBC. Requirements: whole blood, finger prick method also used. Alcohol swab, lancet, RBC pipette, RBC diluting fluid Haems and D6. Newart chamber or hemocytometer. Glass cover slip, microscope. It is Newart chamber. It is RBC pipette. It contains red bead. Diluting fluid. Diluting fluids. Two types of diluting fluid are used for RBC counting. First, Haems fluid. Second, D6 fluid. Composition of Haems fluid: mercury chloride 0.25 gram, sodium chloride 0.5 gram, sodium sulfate 2.5 gram, distilled water 100 ml. Mix well and filter and store. Color amber water. Composition of D6 fluid: 40% formaldehyde 5 ml, 3% trisodium citrate 495 ml, total volume 500 ml. Mix and store. Procedure: take anticoagulated blood or blood from finger. Clean ring finger with the help of alcohol swab and dry it. After dry, take a lancet, prick tip of finger. Take a RBC pipette, insert blood up to 0.5 mark. Wipe tip and outside of the pipette. Take diluting fluid up to mark 101 in this RBC pipette. Mix well while rotating the pipette for 2 to 3 minutes. Charge the chamber after discarding 1 to 2 drops of mixture from the RBC pipette. Allow the cells to settle down for 2 minutes. Count RBC under high power 40x in 80 tiny squares, 5 into 16 tiny squares in the center of chamber. RBC count 5 area of Newart chamber. It is RBC pipette. It fill up to 0.5 mark whole blood and fill diluting fluid 1.01 and mix well manually 1:2 minute and first 1 and 2 drop discard. After then charge Newart chamber. It is Newart chamber. Cover with glass cover slip, then diluting mixture. Charge. Load Newart chamber. After few minutes it is microscopic by microscopy. Then count RBC counting area centers. 5 counting areas of RBC, total 80 squares for RBC counting area. After counting RBC cells like this structure RBC count, then multiplication calculation. Volume of area in which RBC counted in 5 squares, 1 upon 5 into 1 upon 5 into 0.1, it is depth of chamber into 5. So number of RBC in volume 1:1 into 0.1 mm cubic बराबर 5n. 5 number of RBC in the mm square cubic mm बराबर n multiply 10 into 5. Diluting factor 200. So RBC count per cubic mm of blood n into 50 into 200 बराबर n into 10,000, where n is the number of RBC counted in 5 small squares. Normal range RBC count: male 5 to 6 million per cubic mm of blood, females 4.5 to 5.5 million per cubic mm of blood, children 4 to 5 million per cubic mm of blood. Alterations of RBC. Cause of decreased RBC count: anemia. Cause of increased RBC count: polycythemia. Thank you everyone.